Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to use motion tracking Capcut PC, so let us dive right in. First, open up your Capcut app and import the video clip you want to edit or you want something from the Capcut library. Tap on the clip or video that you want to track. In the upper right, head over to Basic. Scroll down below and you will see the setting, Camera Tracking. Note that this is only applicable for pro users. Check the box and choose whether you want to track their face, body, or their hands. Let us say we will use this one. Next, select the face that you want to track. Let us say this one. After selecting, tap on Start and it will track the movement of the selected face. Another method is by heading over to the Effects menu by clicking this magic wand icon. Search for motion tracking. You will see this effect called tracking shot. Drag it to the clip you want to track. Once you are happy with the result, review your video to make sure everything looks perfect. Then export and share your masterpiece with the world. And there you have it. That is how to use motion tracking Capcut PC. Thanks for watching and see you into the next one.